Ah, damn it. Hey guys, welcome back to another Eos video. Today I'm trying to attempt to fix the EGR valve problem with spray. This stuff, in fact, was recommended to me. Apparently it helped Benny on his parents' car or something like that, and has been working for like 9 months or so since. So yeah, gonna try that. Right now the Eos is warming up, as you can see, or here it's running, because you need to warm the engine up apparently a little bit before you put this in. So yeah, gotta wait 10-ish minutes or so and then give it that stuff. Okay, while it's warming up, can you hear the lovely clatter, rattle? Anyway, this needs to come off because we need to spray it in there. So yeah, might as well get to that. I'll admit I was briefly annoyed by the fact that this is screws and not clips, but then again they made it up by being captive. So it's been about 10 minutes, and this entire can is supposed to go in there. So, let's have a look. You put it in bursts, apparently, and then wait for the refs to recover. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh. It's really wanting to stall. Ah, damn it. Well, let's try that without stalling him. I kind of like to give it some throttle, but you know, electric throttle and stuff. Feels like this is gonna take forever. Feels like it's still half full. Jesus, it's taking forever. Might just be in my head, but it feels like it is stalling less now. I don't know. Oh, and Matt, just because the sun is out doesn't mean it's summer. Nope, looks like we're basically out. Yep. Ah, on the last one. On the last press. Maybe I can get a few more out. No, it's empty. Still it on the last one. Okay, that's all in there. Now you're supposed to let it sit for a minute and then dry for 10 minutes or so. So I'm gonna put the filter back together, but before that I'm gonna have to look in the cellar if we have one left from the Audi, because I think I bought one and didn't use it or something. I don't know, I'll have a look. If not, the other one goes back in for now. And then test drive. We'll see. Okay, I put the air filter back in and I cleared the code, and now I'm gonna do a little test drive and see if the problem goes away, stays away, comes back. We'll see. We are 5 minutes into the drive and that just popped back up. Naughty. But then again, the 10-minute drive is part of the cleaning process, so I'll do that again afterwards and then we'll see. Well, I cleared it on the fly 2 minutes ago. We'll see if it comes back by the time I'm home, and then I'll keep an eye on it. Well, I just got back home, and like I was about to say it's gone, and it stayed gone like 7 minutes since I deleted it or whatever. Rev range all over the place, and I just pulled in here. I just pulled next to the BMW, and then when I reversed and parked in here and I looked forward again, it's back. Great. I'm gonna delete it one more time. I'm gonna let it sit now with all the stuff in there that has been burned out. But yeah, I'm not very positive that it's gonna stay gone, I'll be honest. I'll give it a day or two in daily use. Today's Monday, so I assume I'm just gonna be ordering an EGR valve. So, oh well. See you on that video, I guess.